Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a BMW guys 7 Series. Pretty much any generation BMW 7 Series guys. If you have any of the following three things. You have a message that says add engine oil. You have a message that says low engine oil level guys. Or you have yellow oil light on guys. Stay with us, we'll explain how to fix that. Let's say you add engine oil and you still see that light. We'll explain what can cause that and the number one thing that we see here at the shop, so make sure you stay until the end. Now, before we start, let me tell you guys, if you need to buy any parts to use for your BMW 7 Series, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all your tools and parts from for a really good price and fast shipping. That's where we get all our tools and parts from. Second thing guys, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and we do that specifically because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, it doesn't matter if you have a 6, 8-cylinder engine, gasoline or diesel guys, the procedure is practically the same. We'll demonstrate on 6-cylinder engine and 52 engine, but even if you have a different engine, as I said, the procedure will be practically the same. Many new BMWs guys 7 Series, especially I think past 2005, they don't even come with a dipstick. You don't have dipstick to measure your oil level. Everything is electronically guys. And that's where your problem actually comes from. If you see any of those three messages, add engine oil, low oil level, or yellow oil light, that most likely means that your oil level is low and you need to add some oil. Let's say you add oil guys, and you see still that light, okay, and you add more and you're frustrated that you will overfill your engine with engine oil, and you don't want that to happen because that can cause quite a bit of damage to your engine if you put more oil than it needs. What I'll recommend, drain the whole oil from the oil pan, drain the oil like you're doing an oil change, and add as much oil as your engine needs according to your service manual. Let's say if it needs 7 liters of oil, add 7 liters of oil, start the car and see if that message is still there. If it is guys, there is a simple solution to that. Most likely guys, you have a problem with the sensor that's reading the oil level. Okay, and that sensor guys, okay, it's actually this one, okay, over there. This is the oil level sensor. It's located on the bottom, on the oil pan guys, and always inspect the wire, make sure the wire is plugged in, and make sure that this wire guys is not full of oil. Because if you have leaking oil like we do on our engine, and if you're leaking oil and that oil gets in the wires, what will happen? It will not communicate good, and that can cause you a problem as well. Clean the wires, make sure they're not broken. Maybe you hit something on the road, and if that doesn't fix the problem, you need to replace the oil level sensor. If you want to see how to do that, we'll have a video on the channel, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can buy one from as well. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.